When we're adults and we really do not want to have braces because it's metal and it's not pretty, and we still need to function, we need to speak, we need to eat, we don't want anybody to know that we're trying to make our teeth straighter, there's a great option for that. That's called Invisalign. Those are a series of invisible aligners that you wear for 1 week each. And if you are compliant, it will work, it will move your teeth. It is invisible, you can speak, you can smile, you can give presentations, you can be on the video. I'm wearing one right now. Invisalign is good because it straightens the teeth not just for the looks, but also for function. When the teeth are crooked, we harvest different type of bacteria, and then we become much more prone to having periodontal disease in those areas. I don't want periodontal disease, do you? No. So if you do have crooked teeth, those teeth need to be addressed not just for the looks, but also for your health.